Yesterday, we used customary units to look at weight. We're going to do that again today and see what you remembered. Let's go ahead and fill out this. 1 pound equals how many ounces? If you said 16, you are correct. 1 ton equals how many pounds? If you said 2,000, you are correct. And 1 ton equals how many ounces? Well, if you just multiply those two, it gives us 32,000. This is important. Remember them. Let's go ahead and do some problems. Here's the first one. 2 pounds and 12 ounces. What number are we going to put in the corner and circle? It says pounds, ounces. Well, I know that the number 16 goes with pounds and ounces. So I'm going to put 16 in the corner and circle it. I now have 2 16ths. So I'm just going to multiply those to get how many ounces. 6 times 2 is 12. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 more is 3. So my answer is 32 ounces. Your turn. 3 tons equals how many pounds? Let's see how you did. I hope you put 2,000 in the corner and circled it. Remember, there is a reason I am having you do this. It will help us on later in the chapter. 3 times 2,000. Well, I have 3 zeros. 3 times 2 is 6. So 6,000 is my answer. Try this next one. All right, let's see how you did. Tons, pounds. That tells me I need to put 2,000 in the corner and circle it. 2 times 2,000. Well, I can do this mentally. Just move my zeros on over. I have 3 of those. 2 times 2 is 4. My answer is 4,000. I want you to try this one. 4 pounds equals how many ounces? Let's see how you did. I'm going to put the number 16 in the corner and I'm going to circle that. That is important. Pounds, ounces, there are 16 in one. Well, now I have 4, so 16 times 4. 6 times 4 is 24. 4 times 1 is 2, so 4 plus 2 is 6. I have 64 ounces. Next one, give it a try. Let's see how you did. I'm going to erase some of this to give me a little more space. I have 7 pounds and ounces, so I'm going to put the number 16 in the corner and circle it. That should tell me that I have 16 in 1 pound. But I have 7 pounds, so I need to multiply 16 by 7. Well, 6 times 7 is 42. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have 112 ounces. Try this next one. 10 pounds equals how many ounces? Here we go. I hope you put the number 16 in the corner and circled it. Ounces and pounds tell me that I need to use the number 16. Well, I have 10 pounds and 16 in one, so I'm going to multiply them. 0 times 6. Now I'm going to do 1, 0 times 1, place value 0, 1 times 6, 1 times 1. I'm going to add those up and I get 160 ounces. Let's go ahead and take a look at one more problem. We're going to do together, and then you're going to do one more on your own. We're going to compare. 90 ounces equals how many 5 pounds? Is that an equal sign, a less than, or a greater than? Let's go ahead and try and compare. I have ounces here and pounds here. They are not the same, so I need to change one of them into the same. In fourth grade, we convert the larger unit into smaller ones. So I'm going to go to pound, because that is larger, and we're going to convert that into ounces. Well, I don't know how many yet. I'm going to think about that. If I have ounces and pounds, I'm going to put the number 16 in my corner. That tells me I need to multiply. Well, if I have 16 ounces and this one is ounces, I don't need to multiply those two. Instead, I'm going to multiply the pounds by our 16 ounces to convert it. 16 times 5. 6 times 5 is 30. 5 times 1 is 5. And add 3, I get 8. So now I have 80 ounces. Which one's bigger, 90 or 80? 90 is larger. Let's go ahead and have you try this next one on your own. I have, let's do 7 pounds. And I want to know if it is greater than, less than, or equal to, let's do 100 ounces. Go ahead and try now. Let's see how you did. It is pounds and ounces, so I know that those are not the same. I need to change something. So pounds and ounces tell me to use the number 16, put it in the corner and circle it. I now have 16 ounces, and this is ounces. I'm not going to multiply 16 by 100. I have 16 ounces and pounds. Well, I am going to multiply that because I want to change pounds, which is our larger unit, into ounces, which is smaller. Well, 16 times 7. 6 times 7 is 42. 7 times 1 is 7. Plus 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 112 ounces. Which one's larger? 112 or 100? 112 is larger. So that tells me that if I had not converted it, 7 would have been smaller than 100, and my answer would have been wrong. So please make sure that you convert them when you compare. Thank you for trying and learning more about ounces, pounds, and tons.